Unboxing a budget hotel in Barcelona, room and breakfast experience. Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips for making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Welcome to Barcelona, a vibrant city with beautiful beaches and delightful weather. As always, let me share how I arrived here. I flew from Paris to Barcelona on an AirFrance A320 in economy class. The journey started with a pleasant experience at one of the finest domestic lounges in Paris Terminal 2F, but it took an unexpected turn with luggage delays. If you are curious about how I claimed for this, feel free to check out the link below. It's 11:33, it's closed. I have no chance to get a car from Hearst, Barcelona. This time I opted to drive due to business commitments. Finding a hotel with indoor parking became a necessity to safeguard my vehicle. The location of Holiday Inn Barcelona City 22 is quite convenient, located at the city center near tourist attractions. Although we are not here for sightseeing, its center location makes it easier for us to manage dinner meetings. Upon arrival, well, what happened with the lighting? Let's proceed the check-in process. To my surprise, I received a room upgrade with a sofa bed and a warm welcome snack from the hotel. Once inside the room, I found a double bed, perhaps a bit small for 2 adults, and a sofa area where I arranged my luggage. Since it's at nighttime, I'll save the view for tomorrow morning. The room also features a functional work desk, a closet with a safe, and complimentary coffee and tea. Given that this is a budget hotel, I wasn't overly surprised by the room's cleanness, although it appears a mop was left for me to use. And it seems someone just finished their coffee. Now let's explore the bathroom. It's rather basic but includes a bathtub. While there are no provided amenities, I believe IHG allow guests to request them if necessary. For soap and shampoo, they've supplied both. However, I did notice that someone may forget to clean the air vent. By the way, remember to ask the front desk for iron and iron board. You'll need to pick them up by yourself. Good morning, Holiday Inn Express. Here's a view outside. I hope you find my video helpful. Like and subscribe for more to come. Let's move on to the breakfast buffet, which is included in the room rate. You'll find pastries and fresh fruit. As the dining area was quite crowded due to the exhibition is ongoing, I'll simply show you what I got. There are boiled eggs, but no hot food options, and you can also take cereal with milk. During our stay, we explored several restaurants in the city, relishing the delicious Spanish cuisine. In my next video, I will be staying at Holiday Inn Barcelona Sant Cugat, located on the outskirts, but offering ample space and great view with upgraded suite room. Stay tuned! Thanks for watching, see you in my next video.